Data is only useful if we do something with it, like make a better decision or align the team around an insight. In fact, more data will be created in the next 3 years than was created in the previous 30 years combined. But how do we make all this additional data actually useful to our team? Historically, you do analysis, take the results and put them in a presentation, email, or Slack message. That meant the conversation ended up getting distanced from the data itself. Data would often end up out of date, and going and rerunning an analysis and updating slides is time-consuming. So many organizations struggle to make data broadly used and always updated. That's where Zing Data comes in. Zing Data empowers you and your whole organization to ask questions of any database from your phone. We'll automatically figure out which graphs make sense based on your question, so you don't have to worry about axes or colors. From there, you can share questions with your colleagues, use app mentions to pull specific teammates into the conversation, or see what questions your colleagues are asking with shared questions within the app. Zing makes analyzing, visualizing, and collaborating around data easier than ever, from anywhere. Download Zing Data today.